Okay, this is a Costway. It's missing the dial there, but this is a Costway dryer. EP235NH, 5.5 pounds, 850 watts, 120 volts, 60 hertz, 37.5 pounds. All right, and here's a little schematic. All right, so we go to the back here. Start taking off fasteners. Of course, they all can't be the Phillips bit screwdriver, and all these were that I've taken off throughout the whole perimeter. But of course, there has to be one that's not. So I have a little L wrench here. The L wrench is here to rescue because they don't want you in here. And of course there's one over here too, but after I get this one off, we'll be able to take off the panel and we will see the wonders of this. Alright, moment of truth. Ta-da! That's what it looks like. Woo! Really cool, man. Really cool. Make sure you unplug it before you venture in here. And here is, ooh, look, it's like a tube. It's a tube. Ooh. Alright, unscrew these three up here. Now that you unscrew those three things up there, the screws, this whole thing comes loose. But you're gonna have to. I took one twisty tie off down here. Now I gotta take the other twisty tie off here. Now, all right, just unscrew these screws off. There's two of them, and now we'll get the electrical wire out of the way. You're gonna want to take that off, and you'll be able to. All right, pull the belt off the sides. Yeah, get the belt off. The belt just goes around the whole drum and around these pulleys down here. Now you can pull the whole thing out. And then just look at it. It's always nice to just look at things. That's how you take the drum off this dryer. That's how you remove it. Installation is reversal of removal. So that's removing it. And then to install it, it's going to want to put it back up in there. Have the back side facing you. And use these as guides. They're fun guides. They're not no fun guides. So we're going to get, now we want this, now installation is reversal of removal. You got this belt down here. See how that belt is on there? See that? You see all that? You see that? So you have the belt. All right, here's how you install a belt. All right, see how it's folded? Now you go through. Take your new belt and you put it through right here and then around the pulley, and it's going to go in here. That's going to be one end. That's one end. And then now you want to get so now that you got that in there, this whole belt's going to come around. You're going to put around the whole tub. And this part, it'll go around, and see that pulley down there? you can push that pulley back. It'll push back. See that spring? It'll push back just a little bit. You'll be able to get it in there. Just push the drum out of the way. There, now it's on there. Now, it's going to be more than likely it'll be a tight fit. That's what she said. So you want to get the, this part's always silly. Around the drum, it'll come to a part where it's not going to, it's really tough. See how there's no slack there? That's where this pulley comes into play. It's all about this pulley. Every single time you put a belt on, it's all about the pulleys. They're there to, need two hands. Okay, once you got that belt all the way around, and you can see that it's moving, this right here, this needs to go under this pulley right here. And it's just a little silly. Stretch it until it goes on. There we go. I need to screw this on up here. That'll screw on up there. Once you get that screwed on up there, then I mean, see how the whole thing moves? Alright, screw that bottom on, screw the top on. Now you can get this. Now once you get this over this pulley, which I can't believe I can do with one hand, there, now it should spin pretty freely. A little silly, but it works. All right, and then connect this back up. Well, this was just, yeah, you better put that back up on there and screw that on there. Okay, get that screwed back on there, and then put your back panel on. And you can kind of line up where things go. I mean, the vent part's going to go over the vent hole, so I mean, line that up and put all the screws in, and you're good to go. All right, let's do that. That's how you do it. All right, plug it in. I got it plugged in, and I have a little arrow that points towards the off because I don't have the button here. So that started it. Well, that started. It's working, and I don't have the back cover on, so you can actually see the belt. It's on, so there's some exhaust, and then so we got the pulley on and the belt. That's how you get the belt on. Then make sure you have the back cover on, and stay safe out there. Have a great and wonderful day.